Ladies and gentlemen, we are joined by the man himself, international recording artist, songwriter, producer, the man, the most talented, amongst the most talented of the dance hall world, the reggae world, the Caribbean coming out there representing here in the ATL. Welcome, my brother.
Super big up, you know?
Yo, long time.
Finally.
Long time. Let me tell you something.
Finally.
You see.
What take you so long? I know you can't see the time, right?
Yeah.
Right on time. Right on time.
As them saying in Jamaica, not up before the time, you know what I mean? And the time is just right, you know what I mean? And first, me have a big one up because always, anytime I drop a new production, a new song, you guys always get the strength. So salute me, General. Rain and fall, but me say, you know what? Me nah go on no light. Me have to drive and reach out to this. So
respect every time.
Yeah, man.
Listen, but we know how busy you are. Because let me tell you something. There's something called in the industry that's called like studio rat.
Yeah.
You can't find them, you can't see them out the road. You know? Yeah. If they weren't so like all over the place in terms of the music and the voice and out there, you would think they were introverts. You would think they were introverts.
And many of them are, you know? But the talent in the music speaks for itself. So it reach a road, it reach the broadcast.
Yeah, the music always reach out there. You know, see me some of the time still. And that's why I make the effort here tonight. Say, yo, I got to be here because honestly, me I telling her, I really don't. This is a part of the music where I really kind of shy away from. The interview. I want to say I'm like an introvert and calling people that would like to stay to themselves. You know what I mean? But, you know, you call, so, you know, I had to be here tonight. You know what I mean?
Give thanks. Let's tell people a little bit about PATEXX. Give them a little bit of the background, just in case.
Coming from the York District in St. Thomas, Jamaica, musical ambition started while attending high school.
Yes.
What high school was that?
Marmbe High School.
All right.
Yeah, I'm a past student at the best high school in St. Thomas. Marmbe High School. So yes, I'm a Marmbe High School graduate.
St. Thomas native.
Yeah, St. Thomas native.
There you go. There you go. All right.
The first recording, Angela, was somewhat of a remake of Rihanna's Umbrella.
Umbrella, you're right.
Yeah, it gave you some exposure and also gave you some radio plays, both locally and internationally.
Right, definitely.
So in 2008, you were introduced to acclaimed producer Baby G of your
Right, King Jammy's son. Right.
Okay, and this also assisted in harnessing your vocals and getting your sound together as well as your recording skills.
Right, definitely.
So would you say that you learned a lot from being on
definitely, because now, all right, in those times they used to write down your lyrics in a book, you know what I mean?
Yes.
So when I met Baby G said, no, our studio this. Just play the rhythm, go around the whatever melody come to you, just it, and then we take time, find the words. So that's how we start, freestyle lyrics before and do it without the book and the pen.
It's not usual that you would experience that though, especially starting out, because usually people don't want you to waste no time in the studio. So you have to come usually ready, prepared with your song.
Right, with your song and everything. But at the time still, I thought G saw the talent in me, so him decided, say, yo, me I go spend some time with a youth here, and the book and something there. When you just start out, different thing now, you know what I mean? So he introduced me to that, and you don't know, King Jammy's are one of the famous studio them. For you step in a Jammy studio them time there is a big thing, cause there's a bounty forward from a lot of artists, you know what I mean? So for me, that was like a learning process. Me see them do the engineering work. I know me can engineer myself, so I learn a lot from them, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so you just mentioned Bounty Killer, right? Of course, discovered by, first put out on King Jammy's label, right?
Yeah.
And was honed there. And it was a great mentor for you as well.
Definitely, because in 2010, I think it probably in a day.
All right, let's continue with the intro. So continuing with Mr. Rodney Price, Bounty Killer. Joined PATEXX on a single titled Summertime, which was produced by Syndicate Productions in early 2010.
Right.
Would you like
so
to tell
that
us
was
how
my
that came about?
That was my breakout song. So it's like I used to do 9 to 5. You know what I mean? And then I used to left work, jump on the bus, go town.
Nice.
So I find some youth in a St. Thomas now where have a little studio. So one day I go to the studio and hear them play this beat, the summertime beat. I say, yo, this remind me of It's a Party. You know, Killer did have a song.
Yeah.
It's a party.
Yeah.
So I say, yo, what can I do? So anyway, I meet Killer before. So I demo the song and I had a friend in Kingston by the name of DJ Kenny. So I normally go Kingston on the weekend, link up with Kenny. So Kenny met me meet Killer, like, he'll Killer and so. So I say, yo, I have a song, you know. I know say if the general jump on that song, yeah, me I go bust. Cause them time the Killer was your gateway. Forget your break in the music.
Right.
Seeing that me I come from country too, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So him introduced me and, you know, me give him the song and a lot of, you know, in Jamaica, them say, then go around you. So me take it up in and say, you know, me send it to that person there, then I give Killer it. Me send it to that person. So one day me there, Kenny style, because DJ Kenny is a mixtape guy, make mixtape in Jamaica. So one day, I there at the arcade and I get Bex and I say, yo, just give me Killer number. Me I try for myself. And then give me them time, they Blackberry pin around thing, you know what I mean? BB. So I take his number and I text him and I said, this are the youth we always early with DJ Kenny. You know me have a demo and I really want you to hear it. And I don't know what go on. Me get a reply from the number almost same time. This is how God work for me. Because then say Killer no really answer people in time, you know. So anyway, him send him email address, I remember, and me did have $100 for me. Them time they have to pay if you get internet service at the internet cafe. So I go around there, I pay the $100. Me always have a thumb drive with the song on it. And I send it go game. And in no time, I must say, yo, you, this bad. Me a translator in a text now, oh, you mother son. So I said, this bad. You have to go forward a tone and voice it. And we did that one day and them said the rest is history. Yeah, so I have to give thanks to the general, you know what I mean? And it say, I start when me in a high school. I start knock on bench long before that. Because my grandmother make sure say we dey at church. If church keeps Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, me dead. And when chorus I play me there around there knock. So it started out in the church.
Okay.
And years after, them buy a drum set. My mother and my grandmother buy a drum set for me start play in the church without any training or nothing, just from knocking on the bench. So me would have say it started from there and then to high school. You know what I mean? In the church.
So divine from start. You know,
yes. And I like no, if mama left God church, every night you have to go. You're not going to sit down in mama house, you have to go to church. So we're there Sunday school, sunshine, but young people meeting 6 o'clock prayer. You know what I mean? And when chorus I sing.
Yeah. So you're there.
But at the bench me knock on them time there. So from there, so the love of music start, you know, in the church. And then I go high school, the same thing. Find some little friend we love DJ. So we there ball feel a DJ every day. Get in that trouble, you know what I mean? So yeah, that was how the whole thing started.
So what does mom feel about you becoming a dancehall artist?
You mad? A problem. No, them time they growing up, you can't tell your parents. Your parents are saying I got high school, is it? Everybody want you have to become a lawyer,
get your subjects,
a police, a teacher,
get your big job.
So me did have to ease off for the DJ thing there. Even when me reached to grown age and could do it, a thief made have a thief out. One night, remember me go through my ride God, there was an adjoining community where I have ghetto bash. So then time the rhythm I play and you just DJ. And I like no, any rhythm drop you just DJ.
Yeah.
And I go through the window, I catch the window, the board window, and say, Mama, nah, no, say me missing. So we got ghetto bash, go DJ, and forward back and go so boom now and check the window if you go back in. Mama lucky window. Out that door there outside toilet we have a state in the So that time you couldn't tell them say, yo, cause I know like no, people did kind of look down upon DJ thing, them thing there, yo, yeah, but I turn that DJ. No, it wasn't looked upon as no, you know what I mean? And it take me a little while for them accept it. I remember even when me get the song with Killer, when me go to England for my first tour.
Yeah.
Then kind of say it's serious now. Say, all right, me go kind of ease him up here now. I make him go and do him thing cause, you know what I mean? Me I earn from it and it a reach places, you know what I mean? So them wasn't deal with it at first, but it worked
I think
out.
that's a lot of parents' main concern is that you're doing something that will actually be lucrative for you and not waste your time. You know? They know that the music industry is not an easy thing to be successful in. So I think part of that is just their own fears at times, you know, that they're
that's
projecting
true.
onto the youths. But once you prove, it is
Yeah, because not everybody really born for the bookwork, Me did identify, me did have a talent, and me did love music from then time. I can't be used to thief and go DJ. Have me like a sound system where me play around the community when them start ease me up a little bit.
Yeah.
Me have a big back computer and 2 speaker go around the community, entertain the people, them clash all some little sound and always a win.
Yeah.
So me know from them time they say, yo, it was my calling, but you don't know a country we come from. Parents not too deep on that, you know what I mean? So we did have to just ride out the time until they accept it, you know what I mean?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking to the international recording artist PATEXX. He's in the building. And I always knew he was meant to be a DJ when I heard him tell the girl them say, this one is the Santa
Jamaica Santa.
Rhythm.
Yeah, big up digital one. Yeah.
You know see the sun not out of door. Teach me how to go part over. Y'all dash your lights and punish shore. And me alone that a par with 4. The girl them out in them shots and if you know one and you a Tarzan. I be a girl me a pray a day peace time. Summertime. Summertime. This a day of peace time. No rain no fall and a be a sun a shine. Summertime.
Oh, the weather feel outside. Summertime is my favorite time for real. Me not tell no lie. Trust me.
Mr. What you say?
Real talk. Me nah run left my friend on the battlefield. Them fit know say the gang have a lot of steel. You try this none of me dog them. The whole of we ready for war them. We have some rascal we bust them anyway. And them love chat so we war them anyway. It's like a 10 man for pussy. Let me tell you this pussy.
This none of my friend them.
War of his dog. Oh you mean? War of his
So, did you know? This is a PATEXX production.
Oh, indeed. Of course. Hey.
Pull up.
Yeah.
The big bad David Magnum's ball out. A lot of people didn't know.
Yeah.
That you now
You did
did
that
you
one.
also write the song? Or
Yeah,
you just,
yeah. I wrote and produced a song. So this was my introduction to production.
I see.
You know what I mean? I started journey music.
This is the first
Yeah,
rhythm.
the first rhythm I decided to make a
Roman
produce.
Boom is the first rhythm.
Roman Boom is the first rhythm
No, sir.
on,
You
on the
have
journey
hits on
music.
like outer.
Cause
First time?
Yeah, first time. Cause me there, them time I migrated to America. I try find my way. I try,
see.
you know what I mean? So many that get no rhythm from nobody. Frustration, you know what I mean? I be a freestyle, me I do get the hip hop rhythm them and sing upon them. And it's like, everything is just divine. You know, when God lead me, I just follow.
Wow.
I say, why you know just, create your own thing and the name forward to me journey music. And that was the first rhythm, first journey production. Start write a song, them start link who me know, who ask some people for voice to me and
Put
then
together the dots.
you know what I mean? Because I heard her voice. I heard a friend play a song. I didn't know her. I'm here, Virgin of mine, DJ Blazer, play a song. I say, yo, that girl have voice stuff, And then time that everywhere I go, I walk with my computer and my little studio thing them, So I sit down in a Blazer living room and I demo the song. I say, Blazer, let's make the girl get the song. If she sing it that way, it'll go bust. Seeing so, me have to big her up because she did promo. She put in some wicked promotion on the song, and then it just take off. And that was the beginning of journey music, Roman Boom.
When the man say him to lose.
Right? It's that thumb drive. It's having the resources that you need at your disposal.
Yes,
in the moment that matters.
yes. And being on that topic too, when in Jamaica, I started even engineer myself. I was going through some stuff and I decided say, yo, I'm not going to body studio. All right, I'm have to big up my sister. I say, sis, I want to learn to do this music thing. I want to start record myself. And I remember she sent $45,000 you to sell some equipment. And she say, buy your stuff them and learn it. So I buy the stuff them from a guy, the first studio equipment them, and my sister buy me them. So she believe in me from that time there.
Yeah.
So now,
big up sis.
at the rate that, I record me, I say, yo, what if me did have to go to a studio and somebody did have to record me? Sometimes then I want to see it, you know what I mean? So big up my sister. She buy me the stuff and, me record, you teach me. I use my phone and record until me catch it. And now, me can just press any button and record myself and do my thing. You know what I mean?
So what is it? Is it a song a day?
All three. You know, my kind of ease off for the blasting with you now. Yeah, I mean, because I do the dub play thing too, you know what I mean? The dub song them. Sometimes all three, because I love music like that, you know what I mean?
That's a beautiful part of the journey as well.
Right.
So when you love something, you're doing it every day.
Yeah, every
day. You can't
day.
take a day off.
Every day. I mean, like, from reaching America, I try to do the 9 to 5 thing. But I start after a month, I just, because I know that, art not dead, so.
Right.
You know what I mean? My art there in the music and that I want to do every day.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I get up and I just do it just like you the guy, a 9 to 5 job every day and just do music.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, there's a lot of people don't get a chance to see on the dub plate side of things. You know?
Right.
They hear the singles and the regular songs, but in the songman world, right? PATEXX is prolific.
Yeah.
Let me tell you.
You do this.
Yeah.
If a song make and you want to have your version of that song to dub plate that,
flip it. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah,
amazing.
Yeah.
So what's that called? Building back the rhythm?
No, all right. Say for instance, Chris Brown do a song, right?
Yes.
Where Spec Attack is like, say, give me a Chris Brown song. Faded or folded, one of them song, I can flip it into a sound killing way. And on the other hand too, you have the foundation rhythm that from back in the days, the country rhythm, and I build sound songs for those. So if a man who is a sound man, him can take that song and go kill a next sound with it. Musically.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Lyrically.
Right.
PATEXX, bad. Now on the other side again, right? We have some Grammy credits.
Yes.
So but I tell you,
I will leave things
top levels, and not just some any little some major league.
Yes,
so tell us about you working with Shaggy and
so that was a great experience, you know what I mean? I'm big up Mr. Burrell being in studio with Sting.
Yeah.
Wow.
And Shaggy, and working on an album with them, you writing and all of that, doing production and stuff with them. It was a great experience, you know what I mean?
This was the 44876,
yeah, for that album. So I co-wrote 7 songs on that album, which gave me a Grammy certificate as a songwriter. You know what I mean? It was a great experience, and all of that started from Ball Out, Rum and Boom Rhythm, because I did a song for Shaggy on the rhythm, but at the time him couldn't do it.
Okay.
So Red Fox made the introduction to me and him. So the first time Shaggy sent me a song and him said, all right, it was a Daddy Yankee song. And he was supposed to put a verse on it. So him sent it to me and said, yo, fix a verse. So write the song, write the verse at least 7, 8 times. Send it to him. He said, no. 9 times. Him said, no. So the 10th time now, I decide say, yo, this I go beat, you know. I'm going to go and say, all right, I'm going to do my thing. And when I send it off to him, he say, yes. I hit this. And from there, so the connection make, you know what I mean? So I could have give up the first, the second, the third. I tell you 10 times, I count them and I now forget.
Yeah.
But Linda Bella and I are familiar with the whole heap of artists. See artists' ego and them things sometimes. Some of them would have said, well, from sending one time, that's supposed to be it.
That's supposed to be it. Yeah.
And you said something else because, see, skill matters, right? And talent matters, right? Because there's some of these artists that you were mentioning don't write.
Right.
Some of them
True.
if I go sit down and
that's true.
pen out the thing proper.
Yes, they do.
Not everybody have that skill to just go in there and vibes it and make it make sense. And you know, you can say a whole lot of words, but if one sentence don't connect to next, you just rhyming.
Yeah,
you know what I mean.
True.
So I just want to, because it's a clear distinction.
Set the record straight.
Exactly.
Right.
All right. Professionals at work. When you see PATEXX in the studio,
in the
not
building.
rap with me.
Yeah.
No, I see you walk with your dancer.
Hey, big up Taya.
I was trying to find out if she knew the moves for the couple.
I should have known that one.
All right. So this is a brand new dance in Japan.
In Japan. All right.
What?
So I had a song that went big in Japan. It's called Kamanichi. Right? And then that song exploded. Number one ringtone in a Japan. Whole heap of something me do still, you know? Whole heap of something me do. And the song went big in Japan. I didn't go. The other two artists that was on the song went there. You know what I mean? So it's me try to connect back with the culture. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So I had this little move. Japanese, them always their DJ Kenny style. So I use my phone and record them and do the little dance years now. So now I start the production. I say, I make me produce a song myself. You know what I mean? So
It's
Kamanichi.
Hey.
You know, it's a Japanese dance.
Watch it now. You seen it here first.
PATEXX again. Oh
no, watch it, give me way. So you go like this. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Kamanichi.
Dig down.
Mind your neck.
Dig down. Move out the way. Dig down. Move out the way.
I stretched this morning.
Yeah.
PATEXX again.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Watch it, give me way and give me pass.
Konkechi Japanese, they want to do that. All right, you go.
Kamanichi. Over here, Kamanichi.
You have to move the anthem too. Yeah.
Kamanichi.
See, a dance I can do. See a dance I can do. See, that's a dance I can do.
I man, you know what, DJ, can it? See, like triangle. Yeah. So it's a triangular form, are you? Yo, I'm not a dancer, so you have to check the Japanese them for that. But I think it's something like that. You go.
It's going.
So that with me too, but me not just box up myself. You know what I mean? I find out what's going on in the wider world.
And you cannot.
You know what I mean?
TikTok is running the world right
All
now.
right.
Putting a song with a dance is how you get the younger
that's
generation.
exactly. That's what I run the place now. You know what I mean? So it's nice to be connected and know what's going on in the world and sample some different thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
you might never know what's going to take off.
Yo, and let me tell you something. The versatility is the man right here too.
Yep.
All right. So let's show you how versatile he can get. Total switch up from everything we've heard so far.
Surprise me.
Right.
Our video feature for today.
Yes.
Our video feature for today. This is PATEXX.
Very appropriate.
Baby, don't leave.
leave.
Our video feature for the day.
Journey. PATEXX, tell them any day now. But the this again. That one your name. We had a little fight this morning, and things got real. Girl, I see that you hurting. You were mad at me. I said things that I shouldn't say. I said things that I didn't mean. I'm sorry, baby. It shouldn't go down that way. I said things that I shouldn't say. I said things that I didn't mean. And even though you're mad at me, baby, don't leave. Baby, don't go. Put on your back, then, baby. And don't you walk through that door. Baby, don't leave. Baby, don't go. Put on your back, then, baby. And don't you A man is just a man. Baby, I was up in my feelings. Right now with you, I'm pleading. Yes, I know you are hurting. I see the teardrops from your eyes. Please forgive me, baby. I apologize. Baby, don't leave. Baby, don't go.
That's the voice of that PATEXX right there with Babe Don't Leave.
I love that song. I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Is it ever hard in the industry to make music that is uplifting and good? Because I find that the music that really hits sometimes is pure destruction to people.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, yes. But you still have to have a balance, you know what I mean? You can't just be up on the bad thing, you know what I mean? You have to mix it up, you know what I mean? And that was all music has been. My mentor, Bounty Killer. Poor people fed up. And yet still get the gangster thing. So you have to have a balance. You can't just feed the people negativity and don't have a positive. You understand? So, but it's hard. People more take on to the negative than the positive. You see me I sing to my girl, I say, baby, don't leave. I say, a girl clown. Okay, I apologize. You see me? So yeah, it does. But yeah, as I say, you have to keep a balance.
But that's just the natural world.
Yeah,
you know the roughest, toughest gangster also have a tender side.
Definitely.
And so
you have to have a balance.
That's
you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
And me have the gangster look to but I may have a smooth side. You know what I mean? So anyway, me can fit in. You know what I mean? But I like being this side. You know, this
and
Mr.
I like
Smooth.
to see
you know?
that side of you.
Yes.
You're showing the
Yes.
them.
Yeah.
That, hey, I still got a heart.
Yes, yeah.
Right? And if you will take me back, hey, Medea.
Specky, if I apologize.
I'm learning to.
You're learning to.
I'm learning.
All right.
To. I'm learning.
All right.
To. You know, so there's a maturation process.
Right,
you know what I mean?
right. Definitely.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we are speaking with the man himself, PATEXX. PATEXX, tell everybody how they can follow your career, follow your music. If artists want to link you for production, give them the full 9 yards.
All right. So all of my platforms is PATEXX any day now. PATEXX, tell them any day now. It's my slang also, you know what I mean?
Okay.
PATEXX, tell them any day now. So all of my socials are PATEXX, tell them any day now.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And that's basically it, you know what I mean? Journey music, I produce, I write, you know what I mean? Anybody out there need to do proper production.
And you're based right here in the ATL?
Yeah, my base right here, saying Atlanta, you know what I mean? So yeah.
That's right, yo. The talent resides in the ATL.
Yeah, in an ATL.
That's you know, right?
Right.
Yeah, because we know every artist in Jamaica trying to fly out, right?
Right.
They're trying to get the music here.
Right.
And when it comes to the US, right? Big up to New York.
Right.
They want.
Right.
You know, big up to
Florida.
They
Yeah.
But the A is just different, you know?
Right. There you go.
The A is different. You can link Ty as well. Ty famous, you know. Ty do a lot of work with me also.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So yeah, you can find me. Me nah, just look for red and black bars. Eh?
Bam.
Yes, so before, don't forget to you have the soca side of things, which I do also, soca production. Big up Miss Patrice Roberts, you know what I mean? Top soca artist, number one female soca artist. And you know, we do a lot of work with her also. So yeah, as we say, number one gospel song for 20... which year was it?
Is that Chosen?
Chosen, Jesus Rock in Jamaica.
Yes.
Plus, is this the wrap up?
Yes.
Okay, plus I have a movie coming out that me and my brethren we put it together. It's called Twisted Path. Y'all are gonna love it. I wish me could have shown one clip. I wish me did send it in before. I could have showed the audience before.
When the premiere,
yes, it's a beautiful movie about two guys that left Jamaica, came to America, try to figure out life. You know what I mean? Una go love it. So me in a movie, me in a music. As you say, talented.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
No.
God bless me with it. So, you know what I mean? And just big up, you know what I mean?
Representing the culture every time. Represented positively.
Yeah.
Give thanks
respect.
for forwarding out.
Yes.
And trust me, this is just the start.
It's just the beginning.
Because really, folks, the resume is that deep.
Yes.
You could really spend 2 hours and really, really dive in.
Yeah, we're not scratch the surface here. You know what I mean?
But we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen. Thank you again, brother.
Yeah, next time book at least a 2 hour so cause you know me my life for doing the singing and
exactly.
and
like
again
studio.
right again big up you guys in here is beautiful.
Thank you.
Artists when the people them reach out to forward cause in here nice.
It's a proper thing.
One bag of camera set up and the beautiful light and them something they say.
Yeah.
So yeah man, big up and respect. Thank you guys for having me. Yeah, man.
Respect
blessings.
you. Respect. Ladies and gentlemen, international recording artist, songwriter, producer,
PATEXX.
actor.
Whoa,
Gotta show the actor
check,
in there.
Check.
PATEXX with us in the building. This is the Island Heat Radio Show podcast right here on APAP Radio.